Konnichiwa, this is DT again. So I made a video of me walking around Shibuya district in Tokyo, and I mentioned this store called Don Quijote. Don Quijote. Yeah. This place is also in Shibuya, about a 5-minute walk from the station. Multiple floors on this one, as it is a Mega Don Quijote. Mega. I've mentioned that you can get Halloween gear from here as well. Well, anything really. Whenever someone asks me what you can get in here, I always jokingly say anything from kitty litter to contraceptives. Well, I was actually right. They do have kitty litter and contraceptives in here. Let's check that out. Don Quijote is also well known for being a place where people can discreetly purchase a second-hand luxury bag from Louis Vuitton or Gucci. Every once in a while you might come across a Chanel. Shh, hey, I won't tell if you won't, okay? I've never purchased a second-hand bag before, but they are here and they're in enclosed cases. Some electronic shops like Bic Camera and Yodobashi Camera also have them. So if you're looking to save some big bucks when purchasing something like that, consider one of those places. I did a video on Yodobashi Camera in Yokohama, so you can see for yourself. They also have watches and wallets, so click above for that. Makeup for the ladies. A big brand in Japan is Shiseido.
The other way?
Cleaning supplies and laundry detergent. I found the kitty litter. See, I wasn't lying. I'm not a cat person myself, but if I was, I'd pick some up here for sure. Snacks. They even have American cereal here. I want me Lucky Charms! I was surprised to see that here, actually. There used to be a time where you can only get American goods at a American store out in Roppongi, but a lot has changed. Thankfully so. Diapers over here, get your diapers over here. You can actually get lost up in here. More eyelashes for the ladies. Buns of Steel. Who remembers that product? They got that here. Hair dye. Also, remember, Don Quijote is not exclusive to Shibuya. They are all over Japan. They have mega Don Quijotes, mega donkeys at select locations. They even have a mega donkey in Okinawa in Aruma City. So as you can see, you can get almost anything in here. Almost everything. And this is their mascot, the penguin. Hey, serious question for you. Who's your favorite penguin, huh? Is it the penguin off of Batman? I'll get you, Batman. Or how about Pororo you know, Portodol the penguin? My kids love that guy. Or is it, my nose is warm, my tail is cold, ah, ee, achoo? That's Chilly Willy. I had to take it way back. Alright, let's go in here. Psych! Can't show you that, but trust me when I say contraceptives are back there and I'm in the clear. Not a liar. Also, whatever you think is back there is back there. So as I said in my Shibuya video, Booyah, Shibuya roll call. My Shibuya video, there will be lots of people in costumes during Halloween, most of them getting their clothes from here, and the clubs that I went to in that video will be charging an extra 5,000 yen at the door to get in. Usually that's how it works during Halloween events at clubs out here, Roppongi, etc. And I'm sure it'll come with 1 or 2 free drinks. Been there, done that. Wow, a great spot for souvenirs and t-shirts, everything, and a tax-free counter for all of you on a tourist visa. So take advantage of that. So that is the mega Don Quixote in Shibuya. There are smaller ones all over Japan and other mega Don Quixotes at select locations. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. DT out.
My nose is warm, my tail is cold. Ah, achoo! That's Chilly Willy.